Hello everyone, this is Dilip. I have a total of 10 years of experience in networking and more than 5 years of experience in security. So I'll be doing a series of videos on network security. There are two main goals of these videos. First one is to get you prepared for the network security interviews. And second one is if you are at architect level or managerial level and want to know more about how the protocols operate, this will be a good primer for you. So let's start with just going over through all the security protocols available. So we look at OSA layer. OSA layer is a old form of representation of network layers. And if you send packet from one computer to other computer or from your mobile phone, if you send any data, it has to traverse through all these layers. And this is called OSA layer. And the left side one, whatever you see, these layers are called TCP IP layer. And this is the latest representation which is in use today. And these are the different protocols which are operating in each layer. So pause the video and just take a look at the protocols available in each layer. Now, going through each of these layers in a TCP IP model, I will explain the security protocols available and touch briefly upon them. Application layer. So this is the uppermost layer where most of the security protocols are usually implemented. First one is SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. So if you want to transfer files securely, you use this protocol. DNS security. So this is used for resolving the domain names. So for example, if you give google.com, so your browser will use this DNS protocol to get the IP address so that you can connect to it. As computers understand only IP addresses, so to get the IP address of google.com, your browser will do this DNS handshake. And doing it securely, we use DNSSEC. And SSH, as most of you might have already used, to log into a remote server, you use SSH. This is secure shell. And coming a bit down in the transport layer, we have TCP and UDP protocols. And if you secure the TCP packets, it is through TLS. And if you secure UDP packets, it is through DTLS. So TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. DTLS, just this D stands for datagram. So usually TCP packets are called segments and UDP packets are called datagrams. Going further down, if you want to implement security at network layer, we have IPsec and SGRE tunnel. Most of the VPN protocols we use normally for to connect to any VPN, they use this IPsec protocol. And if you go to the link layer, there operates 802.3 and 802.11. 802.3 is the Ethernet cable. So if you connect a Ethernet cable into your laptop, that is 802.3. And if you connect to Wi-Fi, it is 802.11. So this is how these layers operate. And 802.3 per se is not secure, but 802.11 is secure. And 802.11, I have a lot of experience on this. So we'll do much more deeper into this 802.11 in the later videos. And any layer, if you want to implement security, that layer can be agnostic of the layers above it. Say for example, in network layer, if you are using IPsec for securing your packets. In your transport layer, the packet can be either TCP or UDP. It doesn't matter. Similar way, if you are using EduTorrent 11 to secure your Wi-Fi packets between your computer and your router, it doesn't matter if the packets above it are using IPsec or SDRE. It doesn't matter for the layer below it. Because in each layer, wherever you implement the security is handled by that layer. So in network layer itself, you have port that takes care of IPsec protocol. And most of the time, it will be an amalgamation of layers. For example, even though IPsec or TLS, they operate in the lower layers, their packet exchange, the deriving of keys, it can still happen in the application layer. So don't think a security protocol is everything happens in that layer only. Some of things, they happen in the application layer as well. Okay. So thanks everyone for watching the video. And next set of videos, we'll go into much more detail. Thank you.